Welcome to the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse RS in Summit White. This SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Traverse, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, automatic headlights, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, push-to-start ignition, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, dual-zone climate control, shifter and all-wheel drive selectors in the center console, Bose audio throughout the vehicle, and the rearview mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Traverse, starting with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Continental cross-contact tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, blacked out Traverse badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, blacked out bow tie in the center of the blacked out grille, RS badge at the grille as well, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Roof rails are installed. As we make our way around the back of the vehicle, we have blacked out Traverse, all-wheel drive, bow tie, and red RS badge on the GM multi-stage hatch and twin chrome-tipped exhaust. Heading back inside the Traverse, starting off with your back seats here, which are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your third row. USB charging ports on either side of the vehicle. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the SUV. And here in the center console, we have the third zone of your tri-zone climate control, as well as 2 more USB charging ports and a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse RS. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.